Thierry, we've got this sample from Estelle, poor coated abrasive quality. It seems grit distribution issue. What can you tell us? What do you think about that?
Okay, I see the issue, Francis. So for me, my first doubt is we may have an issue with the spreading of the make coat. Look, if you want, I have this sample here where you can clearly see that the spreading of the make coat is not good.
Oh yes, Thierry, this is really bad quality. But what can we do to improve that?
So what can be done in such a case is to modify the resin by adding a wetting agent.
Interesting, okay.
So Monique is currently working on this problematic. She's comparing a resin and one modified with the wetting agent. So let's go and have a look what she's doing now.
Oh yes.
So here Monique is applying the resin without the wetting agent on the left. And on the right, we will have the resin with the wetting agent. So now the paper go in the oven for drying. And we have already prepared one sample 30 minutes ago. Thank you. So now we can have a look to the result. And Francis, I guess you clearly see the difference between the resin without wetting agent and the resin with the wetting agent.
This is amazing, a clear difference. But I think this is not only due to the resin itself, the paper has a role to play too, right?
Absolutely, Francis. It's always a story of interaction between the two materials. So in our case, we demonstrated that adapting the resin can be a way of solving the issue. But in some cases, we have to work also on the base paper.
Right, and this is the opportunity for me to tell you that even if, despite resin adaptation, even if there is not something available in our range, we can, of course, make customization, tailor-made solution in order to bring you the perfect matching between the resin and the paper.